Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So firstly we have to enter the dialer, let's tap on it, and right now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your favorites, recents or contacts. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon and tap on the settings. As you can see here we've got the voicemail, so let's tap on it and tap on notifications. Here we've got the section with the ringtone and here we've got the defaultly set ringtone, and in order to change it just tap on advanced and tap on sound. And as you can see here we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones and sounds from which we can choose. What's more, we can choose none option, so it means that your device won't notify you about the voicemail notifications. What's more, we can tap here on this plus icon and we will be able to pick the notification sound from our own files, for example, if you've got some downloaded. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it is immediately changed and applied, so it means that your device from now on will use the chosen notification sound to actually notify you about any voicemail messages. So actually that's all. This is how to change voicemail notification sound in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.